Balancing chemical equations. In this video we try to balance a simple chemical equation. Fe2O3 plus C react to become Fe plus CO2. First divide the equation in reactants, left hand side, and products, right hand side, and identify the elements. Write down the number of atoms present in the equation for each element. Identify the elements involved in the reaction. In this equation it's Fe, iron. O, oxygen. And C, carbon. In the reactant side, Fe2O3C1. C is 1 because when there is no subscript it means that letter only represents one atom. Then we go to the products side, Fe1, O2 and C1. And now that you're ready you can start the actual balancing. As you can see Fe is 2 in the left hand side but only 1 in the right hand side. So we place a 2 in the right hand side before the Fe symbol, and this 2 multiplies with Fe's subscript, which is just 1. Now we have 2 atoms of iron on both of the sides. Make a note to remember the changes made to the formula. Now proceed with the next element. There are 3 atoms of oxygen in the left hand side, but only 2 on the right. Try to put a 3 before the CO2 symbol. Remember you cannot put a number directly near O, if it is in a compound like CO2. Now you have 6 atoms of oxygen on the right, because the 3 you put, times oxygen's subscript, equals to 6, and inevitably the 3 you put will also multiply with C's subscript which is 1. Now you have 6 oxygen atoms, and 3 carbon atoms, on the right. Now try putting a 2 on the left hand side, before Fe2O3, so that you can get 6 oxygen atoms also on the left side, by multiplying oxygen's subscript by 2. Of course also Fe's subscript will get multiplied by 2, to get 4 Fe atoms. Write down all the changes. Now oxygen is balanced, but Fe is now 4 on the left and only 2 on the right. To solve the problem, just replace the 2 you previously put before the Fe symbol on the right, with a 4. Of course write the changes. And now that both Fe and O are balanced on both the sides, you're left with the balancing of carbon, which is 1 on the left hand side and 3 on the right. Doing this is fairly simple, as C is alone on the left hand side. You just place a 3 before it, and the problem is solved. Now you have 4 Fe's, 6 O's, and 3 C's, on both the reactants and the products sides. Thank you for watching. If you want to practice on more exercises, here are some for you.